Welcome to multiplying with hundredths. Now in the previous lesson, I showed you how multiplying with decimals does not change any of the process involved. Now, we have the question 5.74 times 3. Now, as I mentioned before, you could treat this question as the same thing as 574 times 3. And that's exactly what we're going to do. So with hundredths, we're dealing with two numbers behind the decimal. So we have our tenths and our hundredths. Now, we're going to do the same process as 574 times 3. So, to do this the mental math way and the quicker way, we're going to do 3 times 4, which is 12. We take the back digit of 2, carry over the 1. Then we do 3 times 7 plus 1, which is 22. Then finally we do 5 times 3 plus 2, which is 17. And that gives us an answer of 1,722. Now, when we're dealing with decimals and multiplying, all we simply have to do is count how many decimals there are in the question. So we have 5.74. So we have one number, which is our tenths, which is the 7, and two numbers behind this decimal, which is the 4. And that gives us 0.74. So now we have to count that we will have 2 decimal places in our answer. So we could count from the 2 and the 2, and we'll place a decimal between the 7 and the 2. We now have 2 decimal places in our answer, and our final answer is going to be 17.22.